If you're looking to buy a house in one of the top 50 real estate markets across the country, you might want to hold off for a while. This week, Realtor.com came out with an article talking about how renters are gaining financial edge over home buyers in the top 50 markets, saying that it's actually so unaffordable to buy a house. Now, this is not really a surprise with interest rates and house prices going up, but it is a little different in some of the markets. Last year alone, there was only 45 of the metros. It made more sense to rent versus buying, but this year all 50 of them, those other five included Memphis, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, Pittsburgh, St. Louis, and Baltimore, all transitioned over the past 12 months from markets that favor buyers to ones that favor renters. Now, the number one surprise, maybe not a surprise to you, is my hometown, Austin, Texas, okay? Top the list of markets that favor renting. There's the monthly cost to purchase a starter home surged to just under $3,700, basically 141% higher than the monthly rent of $50,30. Now that's on just a starter home, basically a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And despite Houston's monthly purchases falling below the average of the top 50 markets, it has emerged as one of the top rent favoring metros in February 24. It actually came in at number 10. So overall, the advantage of renting has become more pronounced across the top 50 markets. Last month, the cost to buy in the top 50 metros was, get this, over $1,000, $1,027 per month higher than the cost to rent. That's a 60.1% increase, okay? This compares to a difference of just $865 per month, 50.4% last year at this time. So if you're looking to buy, you may want to hold off and rent for a while till rates come down and inventory comes down, stuff like that. That's part of the reason Austin ranked number one. I mean, we've got overpriced houses, rents at all time because we have very, very high demand, very low vacancy rate, roughly about 99% occupied rent in the multifamily space here for rentals and houses, stuff like this. So if you check out the article at Realtor.com.